Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss some more numericals on the refraction of light. Let's take the examples. Our first question is a 2 centimeter tall object means it is the height of the object is given and the height of the object is represented by h1. So here h1 is equals to 2 centimeter is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Okay, here the lens given is convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter, and we know that the focal length of a convex lens is always positive. So here f is equals to 10 centimeter. Next one is the distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. It means it is our object distance. U is 15 centimeter and U is always negative. So U is equals to minus 15 centimeter. Then we have to find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find the magnification of the image form. So we will apply the lens formula again. So according to lens formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and we have to find the value of 1 by v. So 1 by v will be equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Let's put the values 1 by 1. 1 by v will be equals to, in place of f we will put 10, 1 by 10 plus, in place of u we will put minus 15, and minus here comes. Okay, so when we solve these values, 1 by v is equals to 30 will be the LCM, and here we have 3 minus 2. It will be equals to 1 by 30. So v will be equals to 30 centimeter. V is equals to 30 centimeter. It means when the object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter, then the image is formed at the distance of 30 centimeter from the lens towards the right hand side. Okay, next one we have to find out the nature of the image. As the image distance, as the image distance is positive, so the image formed is real. V is positive. V is positive. It implies this implies that the image formed is real. It is the nature of image. Next we have to find the size of the image, and we know that h2 by h1 is equals to v by u. h2 by h1 is equals to v by u, and here we have to find the value of h2. So h2 will be equals to v by u multiplied by h1. So h2 is equals to, in place of v we will put 30, and in place of u we will put minus 15. Is minus 15 multiplied by h1 is our 2 centimeter. 2 15 to the 30. So h2 will be equals to minus 4 centimeter. It means the image is formed below the principal axis. Principal axis से नीचे की तरफ हमारी इमेज बनेगी. And next we have to find out the magnification. And magnification, for magnification we know that m is equals to h2 by h1. So the value of h2 is minus 4, and the value of h1 is 2. h1 is 2, so its value is 2. Here magnification is minus 2, means the image is 2 times larger than the object. Next one is a concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. We have a concave lens having focal length equals to 15 centimeter, and we note that the focal length of concave lens is always negative. Okay, so f is equals to minus 15 centimeter, and it is given that at what distance should an object be placed, means we have to find the value of object distance, that is we have to find u, so that it forms an image at a distance of 10 centimeter. Image at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens, as it is given, v is given and the image distance is 10 centimeter. Okay, image distance is 10 centimeter, but we know that the concave lens forms virtual images. Okay, and the virtual images always forms towards the left side of the lens. So and the distances measured towards the left side of the lens are negative, so v will be negative here, v will be negative. Okay, image distance will be negative, focal length is also negative, so we have to find the value of u from lens formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We have to find the value of 1 by u, so 1 by u will be equals to 1 by f, 1 by v minus 1 by f. Let's put the values one by one. The value of 1 by in place of v we will put minus 10 minus 1 by 15 minus minus 15, minus minus cancels out each other. Again 1 by u will be equals to 30 will be the LCM and it is minus 3 plus 2. So the value of 1 by u is minus 1 by 30, or u is equals to minus 30 centimeter. It means when the object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter towards the left side of the lens, the image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. Also we have to find out the magnification of the lens, and the magnification of the lens will be equals to m is equals to v by u. The value of v is minus 10 and the value of u is minus 30. It is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, or m will be equals to 0.33. As the value of m is less than 1, as m is less than 1, so the image formed is smaller than the object. Image formed is smaller than the object. Okay. Our next question is Rohit focused the image of a candle flame on a white screen using a convex lens. Okay, using a convex lens, he noted the position of candle. Position of candle is 26 centimeter and the position of convex lens is 50 centimeter and the position of screen is 74 centimeter. Rohit is using a meter scale. Okay, he is using a meter scale, and suppose this is our meter scale, and on the meter scale his candle is at a distance of 26 centimeter. 26 centimeter. It is 0, and the convex lens is at a distance of, this distance is 26 and this distance is 50, and the image or the screen position of the screen is 74. Suppose here is the screen and this distance is given as 74 centimeter. Okay, so firstly we have to find the distance between lens and the candle, this distance, and it can be observe that if we subtract 26 from 50, then we have this one distance. If from this distance we will subtract this distance, then we have this distance. Okay, so the object distance u will be equals to 50 minus 26 and it will be equals to 24 centimeter. As it is from the left side of the optical center, so u will always be negative, and the image distance will be from this distance. we have to find this distance, and it will be equals to 74 minus 50. Okay, 74 minus 50, so it will again equals to 24 centimeter. In our first question we have to find the focal length, and focal length will be equals to, according to length formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Let's put the values 1 by 1 by, in place of v we will use 24 minus of अगेन 24 1 by 24, लेकिन जो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस रहता है वो नेगेटिव होता है हमारा, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2 by 24 और 1 by 12. So the focal length is equals to 12 centimeter. Focal length is equals to 12 centimeter. In the next question it is given that where will the image be formed if he shifts the candle towards the lens at a position of 38 centimeter. Means object, अब हमारा लेंस इनिशियली जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उससे कितने डिस्टेंस के ऊपर था, 24 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पर था, और जो टोटल डिस्टेंस था ओरिजिन से वो 50 सेंटीमीटर था. अब क्या किया, लेंस को ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ शिफ्ट कर दिया, और अब जो हमारे लेंस की नई पोजीशन है वो है 38 सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर. ये पोजीशन है हमारे लेंस की. ठीक है, अब हमारा लेंस क्या है, इस पोजीशन के ऊपर है एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 38 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द लेंस. सो अब यहाँ पर अगर हमें दूसरे क्वेश्चन के लिए दोबारा से ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, लेट द न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस विल बी u प्राइम. सो यहाँ से जो u प्राइम की वैल्यू रहेगी, वो u प्राइम की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे हम, 38 में से 26 को माइनस कर देंगे. 38 माइनस 26. ओके, 38 माइनस 26 इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 12 centimeter. Okay, it will be equals to 12 centimeter, and we have to find out the position of the image we formed. So again we will use the same formula according to lens formula. 1 by v will be equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Let's put the values 1 by 1. The value of f is 12 plus 1 by the object distance u prime will again be negative 12. So these two quantities cancels each other. So we have the value of 1 by v is equals to 0, or the value of v is 1 by 0 and it will be equals to infinity. It means the image is formed at infinity. Means जब हमने क्या किया, हमारे लेंस को ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ एक डिस्टेंस 38 सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो इमेज हमारी कहाँ पर बनेगी, इन्फिनिटी के ऊपर बनेगी. और इसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर एक और पूछा गया है, ड्रॉ ए रे डायग्राम टू शो द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द इमेज इन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो हमें डाटा दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें इमेज फॉर्मेशन करना है. तो आइए ड्रॉ करते हैं. सपोज ये हमारा कन्वेक्स लेंस है और ये है हमारी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, और ये हमारा ओरिजिन है. ये डिस्टेंस ओरिजिन से या फिर बोलेंगे रेफरेंस पॉइंट से 38 सेंटीमीटर है, और ऑब्जेक्ट हमने रखा है यहाँ पर, जो हमारा डिस्टेंस है रेफरेंस पॉइंट से 26 सेंटीमीटर, और ये जो डिस्टेंस है हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस वो किसके इक्वल है, 12 सेंटीमीटर के. और 12 सेंटीमीटर ही हमारी क्या है, फोकल लेंथ है. किसकी, हमारे कन्वेक्स लेंस की. सो हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ पर रख दिया है, फोकस के ऊपर रख दिया है. ये फोकस हो गया हमारा, ये ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, और ये हमारा सेकंड फोकस. ओके, फर्स्ट रे ऑफ लाइट पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ओके, and ray is going parallel to principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus. Next ray of light from the optical center and rays passing from the optical center passes undeviated. ये अनडेविएटेड चली जाएगी. अब ये दोनों रेज ऑफ लाइट क्या जा रही है? पैरेलल. और पैरेलल लाइट रेज कहाँ पर मिलती है? हमारी इंफिनिटी के ऊपर. सो द इमेज फॉर्म इज एट इंफिनिटी. ओके, ये हमारी इंफिनिटी के ऊपर इमेज बनेगी. सेकंड केस के ऊपर ये हमारा कैंडल था, और इंफिनिटी के ऊपर जो इमेज बनेगी वो वेरी इनलार्ज रहेगी. Our next question is, we have given a concave lens having a focal length of 50 centimeter. F is equals to 50 centimeter and it is a concave lens, so the focal length will be negative. Next, we have to find out calculate its power, and we know that power is equals to 1 by focal length, and it will be equals to minus 1 by 50. But this 50 we have to convert it into meter. 50 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, or it will be equals to 50 into 10 raised to power minus 2. When we solve these values, we have minus 100 divided by 50, and it will be equals to P will be equals to minus 2 and minus 2 meter inverse. Okay, minus 2 meter inverse, and meter inverse is known as diopter. So the power is equals to minus 2 diopter. Our next question is, a convergent lens of power plus 8 diopter is combined with a divergent lens of power minus 10 diopter. Convergent lens means the convex lens. Suppose the power of the convergent lens is represented by P1 is equals to plus 8 diopter, and the power of the divergent lens is represented by P2 is equals to minus 10 diopter. Then we have to calculate the focal length of the combination. We know that the power of the combination will be equals to P will be equals to P1 plus P2, or power can be represented by 1 by focal length, and it will be equals to P1 plus P2. Let's put the values one by one. The value of P1 is 8 minus the P2 is 10. Okay, so 1 by F is equals to minus 2 diopter, or minus 2 diopter, or minus 2 meter inverse, which implies the focal length will be equals to 1 by 2 meter inverse, and meter inverse when go upside it will become meter. 1 by 2 meter means 0.5 meter or 50 centimeter. Okay, so this will be the focal length of the combination. So dear students, this is all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.